What's up guys? I am so excited to share with you my brand new listing in Osage Beach. It is at 2268 Breezy Acres. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, 3,000 square foot on an extremely flat lot. It overlooks the Osage 25 mile marker and it has views that will amaze you. Let's go take a look. This house has been totally remodeled, from the brand new kitchen with new cabinets, new countertops and new appliances, to all brand new flooring throughout, to new lighting and plumbing fixtures. It has the deck that had just gotten rebuilt, has fresh paint throughout, and the furniture that's brand new is available for purchase as well. Thanks for taking a look at this amazing home today. My name is Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Slick of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. For more information, contact us at 800-836-2005 or look us up on our website at jasonwhittle.com. See ya.